Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Smooth Love Potion. Right now, the price is trading at 0.004526. Market cap, we're up 4.29%. 24-hour volume, we're down 32% here. So going into our chart here, I've got it laid out on our daily chart. We can see that we've been capped up at a resistance line roughly around 0.00461. So around this area. However, what we can see is that we're creating a lot of lower highs, which does escalate the price to come back and retest this area of resistance line. Now, if we quickly take a look closer to our considered RSI and the momentum of our MACD, we can see our RSI is peaking at 98%. The last area here was roughly around 100%, 95%, and then we see a pullback scenario here. So as we come up closer to a resistance line in a smaller time frame, we're going to take a look at the probability of the price to break through this and close above it here. So going into closer to a 4-hour chart, we can see again the price is coming up, retesting this resistance line. However, what we can see here is a squeeze in our Bollinger Band. We can see this Bollinger Band squeezing in. We can see our MACD indicator. I'm going to open this guy up. We can see our MACD indicator really losing the momentum of the trend itself with these lighter colors closer to an area of resistance. So we may actually get rejected down. If we quickly look at our last candlestick, our RSI was at 190% here. So we can ultimately see a crossover of our K and D line, which is going to signify a rejection at this top here. And where the rejection may actually come back to is an area of support. So I'm going to quickly do a fib from down here all the way to here, and roughly around the 61% of both our fib charts is where the price is going to retrace to. And one of the alerts here that I already see when I made that fib chart here is that it's closer to our 20 MA line. So our 20 MA, if we do break through and close below our 20 MA, it's basically saying that the trend of this uptrend ever since a break here on July 27th is going to slowly decrease and ultimately close this uptrend that we have for SLP and continue downwards. However, when we take a look again on our daily chart, if we are going to come back down and retrace closer to this level, it's still within our trend line of the top resistance and our bottom resistance. So we are going to be continuing this descending or this ascending triangle until we can be able to get enough momentum to break through this and finally continue on. So on a 4-hour chart, you guys, in the next couple of hours, what we are going to be seeing is a rejection from this line coming back down and hopefully holding roughly again the 61% or this node that we can see at 0.00437 until we can be able to see a consideration of the lines crossing over once again, the RSI coming down so it's not considered to be overbought as we saw in this last candle, and seeing a momentum stronger in the bars itself of our MACD to finally break through this area of resistance. We could see it back here as the price was climbing up closer to this area of resistance. We can see the momentum itself was strong enough to finally break through. However, this was such an impulse of the volume itself registering at 3.1 billion. It wasn't able to maintain it, and a lot of people ended up selling in this incline here. So that's my update for SLP. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.